Hello everybody, let's continue our discussion on Mixolydian. So I think a better way to think about the the Mixolydian scale is has a dominant seventh sound, okay? Because of the fact that it has the major third and flat seven. Here is again the textbook version of the Mixolydian scale. So you have 1, 2, major third, fourth, fifth, flat, major six, and flat seven. Something very interesting in reality, often players would add the flat 3 to the scale. So the scale here is still a Mixolydian scale, but with the added flat 3. If we do that in C Mixolydian, that would be C, D, E flat, E, F, G, A, and then a B flat. That's our C Mixolydian scale. Let's take a listen to that. So C Mixo would be something like this. So okay. And oftentimes this one is played as a ghost note. That's the quintessential Mixolydian or blues sound. So, sorry. Okay, that's the C Mixolydian with the flat 3. So that's what players would often add to the scale when they're actually using this scale. Okay, if you take a closer look at the circled notes here, so those in red in the rectangle, the root, okay, so C, flat 3, fourth, fifth, and then a flat 7. What's that? That's actually C minor pentatonic. But like, you'd be like, wait a minute, we're talking about Mixolydian, right? It's a major sounding, right? Yes, partially correct. Actually, again, Mixolydian is a mix of major and minor sound. So in reality, what players would do is they would look at the Mixolydian and treat it as a minor sound first. And we will do some tweaks again to the scale. So we will add the third back into the mix, and that would almost complete the scale. We also add back the major second and also the major six. So that would give it a really bluesy, minor sounding quality to the scale. So minor pentatonic first. So that's your minor pentatonic. In reality, you simply add the third into the scale. Something like that. You can also add back the major second. And add back the major six. Alright. So that's one very practical way to use the Mixolydian scale. To recap, that's the formula for the Mixolydian scale. That's the textbook version. 1, 2, major third, fourth, fifth, major six, flat 7. In reality, we will also add the flat 3 to the scale. And you can think of it as a minor pentatonic with the flat 3 to 3 move, plus the major second, plus the major 6. So C Mixolydian, for example, you can actually play C minor pentatonic, tweak the flat 3 to 3, so go up a half step there, add the major second D note, and add the major 6 A. Flat 3 to 3 would be E flat to E in this case. Okay, so hopefully everything makes sense. We'll do some exercises in the upcoming video, so don't worry. See you there.